Today we are going to be comparing two of the most popular index funds in the stock market, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is known as the more tech-heavy index fund, although both index funds carry much more than just tech stocks. The Nasdaq is a little bit more heavily weighted on companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. For the S&P 500, the five largest holdings are going to be Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, and Google. As for the Nasdaq, the five largest holdings are going to be Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Broadcom. The other big difference with these two index funds are the performance. Generally, the Nasdaq has outperformed the S&P 500. If we look over the last 23, 24 years, the S&P 500 returned about 250%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is up about 376%. So there is quite a big alpha when looking at the Nasdaq returns compared to the S&P 500. A big thing to look at when you're comparing index funds is going to be the fees that you are paying. So when you go to your brokerage, whether it's Robinhood or Fidelity,